What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, like, comment, and subscribe as always, because today we have a lot to do. I think we're gonna start off with the easier things to give us a little bit of a booster. In here I have like a license plate cover thing that I need to fix. I have my windshield washers blades to change, but the main part of today's video is the suspension in the back. The struts or the shock absorbers are completely blown. We also have some really cool carbon fiber eyebrows that we're gonna put on the lights in the front from Precision Raceworks. All the links of everything I'm gonna be using in today's video is gonna be linked down below, so you can go check it out. Let's start with a nice warm coffee and a nice cold start for the boys. There's something about a straight pipe, basically exhaust, and the smell of just pure gas all over the garage. Let's take off this license plate, these 4 screws, hella bunk, but I mean, because my exhaust was so loud, I actually had to put like styrofoam or whatever in the back so that it wouldn't like shake the plate and make noise. Anyways, a lot of bunk done to this car, but we're gonna fix all that today. It's a promise. So as you can see, this absolutely needed to be changed, because to get it off I had to use a fucking grinder. Unheard of. Anyways, let's move on to the wipers. Let's even try the eyebrows, the carbon fiber ones from Precision Raceworks. I think that should be pretty cool.
The shootings are strong, one shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control, but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more, and I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone. And
Alright, so these are the carbon fiber eyebrows from Precision Raceworks. Now let's get them fitted onto the car. I don't think it fits. Guys, meet Christopher. Christopher, meet vlog. I don't know. Fuck, it's kind of spicy, but it doesn't fit. So I don't know what to do. Fucking shit. Oh. I'm gonna have to sleep on this one. I don't know. Let's put them aside. Let's keep going. We got to dismantle the entire trunk. So all of this needs to come out. We gotta open the trunk, and there's the whole fender liner on the inside that needs to come out to access the screw that is on the top, like somewhere here, in order to take out the strut in the back. Right around here in the middle of the screen here, there's that bolt. It's really easy. There's a screw behind here, another here. There's these clips in here. Focus. These are clips in there that we just need to pop out. Super easy. There's 4 of them. This comes out. Then the weather stripping, you pull back just a little bit, and there's some clips in here, you know, all around the car. So just take all that out to access the bolt in the back. Okay, so now with everything out here, see this bolt in here? Now you're gonna need something to hold on top as you unscrew the bottom. So like a open wrench and I don't know what size Allen head this is, but we'll figure it out. Yeah. I decided, hey, you know what? Off camera, let me do one side so that when we get to the other side, I sound like I know what I'm talking about more and I'm more confident and it goes a little smoother. So I, a long time ago, got extended studs and they each came with like a special key. Now this key, I was taking out the bolts with a breaker bar like I normally would, and this key broke. Focus on the key. Thank you. The only way to fix this is one, either buying a new one, which I don't even know where the fuck I can find one, or two, cutting this here. So we're gonna have to cut this in order to continue today. It's going well.
Sleeping. What the heck are you wearing that for? That's for COVID.
This is for COVID. But
is it coming in my eyeballs too?
No.
No, but if you don't mind sparks coming in.
Don't that?
It's not hot.
It's not hot. You only dropped it 3 times.
It's not hot.
I don't know. This got hot before I got scared.
It's not hot.
I'm scared too. I don't trust you. This was full of grease all over the place. So all we gotta do is take out the bolt on top, take out the one under the car. Under the car, I think it's a 14 on the top as well, with like a 6 mil. Thank you, Christopher. He's
Much
great.
better.
What I think I'm gonna do, take it out from the top, and then let, you know, the whole wheel, axle, everything just with gravity come down.
I guess.
I think that's what we're gonna do.
I'm zooming into your butt.
You
I
press the
saw
button.
you.
Okay.
Julia, no one's seeing anything here.
Besides your nostril.
These are so short that they just came straight out. It was supposed to be in that hole up there, and now it's here. So, gravity. Yes. All I did was just use a hammer and hit from the bottom of this bolt up. Now just pull up. Yeah, take it out. Wow, it's destroyed.
That's disgusting.
Right on my eyeballs. Should use your COVID mask.
I know I should have kept the mask. Wow. So this is why. Well, when I'm driving, there's every single bump, every single movement, there's a squeaking. It's really annoying, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Anyways,
That causes
what?
Gravity.
Yeah, gravity. It's all because of gravity.
Today, that's a keyword.
That is a keyword today. So, hey, this is fun. I never had so many friends all at the same time. Okay, so, Mr. Christopher, let's show them what we got.
Oh my goodness, that one's clean.
This is the brand new one.
this is the top.
Dun dun dun.
This is the brand new. Oh, and if you take that other blue box, okay, we gotta show them. We gotta show them. This.
Slip on the rubber.
Don't forget to lube it up and slip on the rubber. Oh, who's there? How does? Oh, and then it goes like this.
You need to reuse those mounts.
Yes, I need the top piece.
Where that's corroded onto.
Oh my god. That's supposed to be rubber. Did you hear those cracks? Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh.
There you go. Maybe that's the problem, Julian. If you have to change them, then you know to change them.
You could use these for now and
Then change them. Because you're not going to have no car until pieces to start coming. What did you break?
Yeah, actually not if it happened. Now we're in trouble.
What did you do?
Fucking hell. How does
Do you need, you can't even, I need
I
my
need 5
car.
minutes, Mary.
You could use it, but don't expect to be driving 100 kilometers on it.
Oh my god. Yeah, how long is it?
I don't even know what the fuck this is called.
12 seconds later.
We realized that we actually didn't need to buy that new piece because there's a top hat. Do you see the top hat?
I think it's butting up my face.
There's that top hat piece of metal that sits on top of the yellow, like squishy thing. Yeah, that. There's this piece of metal here that actually, not make the whole thing go down. So we're gonna be able to finish this side today, and because we gotta go see Nana for supper, we'll have to finish the other side tomorrow. To do this, just squeeze it down first. Then we're gonna work very quickly. There's a hole right there. Lower it down. A little slowly there. Oh my god, it's so much higher. Oh no. No! Why is it so much higher? Shit! Let me, like, if you compare it to the other side. Ah, no, wait a minute. It's actually the same. I'm confused. Bro, look at this. In case you couldn't tell, that was the old one. And this is the new one. A nice Bilstein one. Bilstein, same thing. This has to clamp into this. Then this goes on top. And that's it. It's done. Now let's just compress this. Well, first, take off the bolt that they provide at the bottom. Compress it. And put it right back into its slot. Alright, so what did we do today? Today we changed the wipers because that needed to be changed. We changed the license plate frame because that needed to be changed. Super stupid things, that's fine. We also changed the struts in the back, or the shock absorbers, because those were completely flat. They were dead, they were long gone. The one on the driver's side was actually horrible. There was grease absolutely everywhere. It's disgusting. But anyways, we solved that. But we did not solve the issue with the squeaking in the back. That is the biggest part that the whole reason as to why I changed the suspension in the first place. But it's still making sounds. And more and more I think about it, I think it's because of the brake shoes. There's a spring in here. Actually, let me just show you. Oh, it's just the pads. There's no spring. Anyways, if you look at the little picture here, there's a spring here, spring up here, whatever. I think this spring, when we put it on last time, it was completely fucked. And now I think that is coming back to haunt me. And I think that is what the problem is. But besides that, if I had to like suggest something, and I always suggest things in my videos, Milwaukee tools, those are fire. If you could get one of yourself a pry tool kit, something like this stuff is super necessary, super important, and you can use it in so many different ways, especially if you're working on your car. This is super handy, and it's like saved me plenty of time. So I'll be linking this down in the description box below, as well as this. This is a parts tray collector thing. It's metallic, so metal sticks to it. So if you have a bunch of screws, this is perfect. And what I like to do is I put something usually like in the middle, like this, and it divides different sides of the car. So having something like this is super important, and I highly suggest this. But yeah, no, so this, and as well as all the tools and all the products that you saw in today's video, is going to be linked down below if you want to get yourself some of that and get wrenching on your car. But yeah, today's video was a bit all over the place, but let me know what I should do with those carbon fiber eyebrow things. I was thinking of wrapping like the top part that would stick out, that you would still see, because these don't fit for my car for whatever reason, and shipping was 40 bucks. So I can't really return it because it's deep. Like I just don't want to return it, because or else I lost the 50 bucks of shipping. 40 US, so for me that's like 50, almost 50 something dollars Canadian. That sucks. But anyways, future videos to come. I already placed the orders, and if you follow me on Instagram, at my Instagram right here, I already showed you guys what I bought. So those are gonna be two really interesting videos that I highly suggest you guys stick around for. Subscribe if you want to be informed when I post those videos, because it is coming up in the next coming months. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So I highly suggest you guys stick around. If you guys like today's video, subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. Just simply wrenching on the car, having good laughs with some friends. If that's what you're into, great. But that's it. That's all for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, drive what drives you, and I'll be catching you guys all in the next video.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25.